Hello everyone, today I will teach you dessert with my favorite fruit, poached pear, caramel sauce, cinnamon biscuit and caramelized nuts. So let's do it. I begin with poaching the pear.
I mix 1 liter of water, 250 grams of sugar, the juice from 1 lemon, a vanilla paste and some cardamom seeds in the pot and mix it all together. You can of course use fresh vanilla or experiment with different spices like star anise or cinnamon. Then I peel my pears with a peeler, and to make them look even better, I brush them gently with a sponge. I cover the pears with baking paper to keep them submerged and cook on very low heat until they become soft.
The pears need at least 20 to 30 minutes to be done. Cook them nice and slowly so you infuse all the taste and you don't overcook them so easily. And in meantime, let's make the cinnamon biscuit.
You will need plain flour, sugar, butter, eggs, cinnamon and salt. I will leave exact recipe in the description down below. Start by mixing melted butter with sugar in the mixing bowl. Then add egg, salt and cinnamon. And at the end, add the flour part by part. I will finish it with the hand because the dough is very thick and I leave it inside the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set.
As the next component for my dessert, I want to make caramelized almonds.
Mix a few spoons of sugar with a touch of water in the pot and wait until you create very light caramel. Then add the almonds and cook them until they turn dark brown. And feel free to use different nuts if you prefer. I let them to cool down and they will be ready to eat. And now let's finish the biscuit. Roll the dough nice and thin between 2 sheets of baking paper. You can adjust the thickness to your preference. I made mine very thin, so I ended up using 2 pieces at the end. Remove the top sheet and bake for 10 minutes around 170 degrees Celsius. After that, cut your shapes using a pastry ring and bake another 10 minutes until dark. And the biscuits are ready for plating.
And the last component I have to start with is caramel sauce. So let's do it.
Start with only sugar in the pot on medium heat to create a dark caramel. And then add your heavy cream and on low heat melt the caramel and leave it on the side to cool down. My pears are nicely poached, so I take them out of the liquid, cut the bottom and top, and also remove the seeds with the lemon peeler. And when your caramel reaches around 60 degrees Celsius, you can add your butter, emulsify it in, and let's do the plating. For the final presentation, place the cinnamon biscuit on the bottom, then top it with the beautiful poached pear with vanilla. Drizzle some caramel sauce around. Sprinkle a few caramelized almonds. And I finish it off with butterfly leaves and flowers. You have to love this dessert. It's super simple, sweet, fruity, and if you want, you can use even different fruit like apples and also different nuts. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments.
And if you want to learn another fine dining dessert, check out this video and learn how you can make my dessert with melons and yogurt. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you soon.